Hey guys, it's me, Oliver Farman, down here at Granite Automotive, Granite Buick GMC. Today I want to show you the 25 Buick Enclave. This is my ST, black accents instead of chrome. Black. 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 And isn't she gorgeous? Shout out my sister's got the same one right here. You know who you are. Let me show you around the back end here. Huge, huge amount of space. This trunk, this whole compartment down here comes out. When I was talking huge, I meant huge. Here's an Oliver for size comparison. I'm just kidding. Throw your dirty beach towels, your sandy trunks, ice and sodas in there. The whole thing will come out, dump it out, spray it out, throw it all back in. I've got power seats in here. So like I said, tons of space back here. Even with the seats up, even with 3 passengers back there, I'm still gonna have plenty of room. You can still fit a full-sized Oliver in here. Let me show you inside a little bit. Where the seat stays at that 90-degree angle, in case you got a car seat in there, and then I can still come in and out back here. Whoop. If I have a taller fella in the back, I can make some more room for him, or I can slide back and have way more room up here. I can recline. I do have my own climate controls back here. I have a house plug in, the 3-prong, the 110 outlet. I've got a couple of USB-Cs as well. These Enclaves are coming standard with Bose stereo. I'm sure you've heard of Bose stereo. These things come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 5-year 60 powertrain on your 2.5-liter turboed 4-cylinder. Very reliable. GM loves it. Around that 19 in town and 24 on the highway. I've got surround view cameras. I've got cameras underneath my side view mirror, in my grill. Parking in the tight little parking spot, I can hit my little camera button, see if I'm in between the lines. It'll show me a bird's eye view all the way around the car. It's gonna have your blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert. So when you're backing out of that parking spot, if anyone's coming from either way, it's gonna let you know. Hop on in, let me show you inside. So inside I've got the black perforated leather and I've got this white tubing here, really pops. Says ST on the headrest so everyone knows what you're getting into. I hop in, I turn on my heated steering wheel. I turn on my automatic climate control. I throw my phone in my wireless charging. Of course I got parking sensors, but if I want to see where I'm at, boom. It's going to tell me how far in my back end will cut in. If I'm in reverse, it's going to tell me how far. And this part of the screen is blacked out right now because the door's open is all. Emergency taco holder. Never know when you might need one. So I've got Google built in. I can say, hey Google, turn the passenger heated seat on to high. Bling. Fantastic. I can switch from front wheel drive to all wheel drive with the press of a button. Boom. Plenty of space in my center console. Finally giving you a little tray in here instead of telling you to spend 20 bucks at the parts department. Like I said, stylish. Black perforated leather. There you have it, folks, the 2025 Buick Enclave. Stylish. I forgot to mention how smooth of a ride. So if you want to get yourself one, come on down to Granite. Ask for Oliver, ask for whoever you normally work with. We're happy to help out down here. Take care, guys.